Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic prevention of rusting. It is the continuation of the last class. So the last class there are few methods I am explaining to you how to prevent the rusting. So today I will give you some more examples and the methods and help to prevent the rusting. The first one, using enamel coating. Using enamel coating. So the enamel coating means it is a mixture of ground glass, clay and water. It's a mixture of clay, water and the ground glass. It is exclusively, it's mainly using in the kitchen pots and pans. It is also helpful to prevent the rusting. Okay. So that's the first one, using enamel coating. It's especially using in kitchen materials or kitchen pots or cans. And next one, galvanization. It is a very important process. Galvanization is a very important process to prevent the rusting. So in the case of iron, the coating with the zinc the coat over the iron surface to protect the iron pipe. So the mixing of the iron and the zinc is called GI pipe. What is the GI pipe? Galvanized iron pipe. So the galvanization means it is introducing the zinc over the iron pipe. So the high water supply pipes is also using this method. So what happened is help to prevent the rusting. So the galvanized iron is also long lasting in the help of this method. As a result, this method, what happened? The pipes become long lasting to prevent the rust by applying the zinc. Okay. So mainly it is using the roof sheets, means the direct contact with the water. The roofs and the bucket, bathtubs, these things are every time is also reactive with the water. That's why zinc coating over this type of sheets become long lasting. So the process, the coating of zinc over the iron is called galvanization. Okay. And next one, electroplating. So the electroplating means the mixture of nickel and the chromium. This plated, it is means covering, otherwise putting over the iron surface. That help to nickel and chromium. It help to prevent the rusting. So the iron covered with the nickel and chromium mixture. Okay. So as a result, what happened? That direct contact, the water or the air, direct contact become avoided. As a result, the iron become long lasting, become free from rusting. Okay. It is mainly used in bathroom fittings and the doorknobs, parts of bicycle, etc. In this type of things, always using this electroplating method. So electroplating means very simple. That means the nickel or the chromium mixture applying over the iron surface. For example, the wall taps or bathroom fittings always reacted with the water every day. That's why the applying or this method, electroplating method, the nickel or chromium applied over the iron content or iron objects, it is free from, otherwise avoid the contact with the water and the air. As a result, that prevent rust. Okay. And next one, tin plating. Tin plating means tin is one of the non-toxic substance and less reactive metal. Okay. So this metal, tin, applying over the iron, it helps to prevent the rust. So for example, we take the one iron object or tools and put into the molten zinc. So what happened? That molten zinc applied over the surface of iron, it prevent the rusting. Okay. So mainly It's a non-toxic substance. That's why it's used in the food cans. Food cans made from tin. Some of the food cans that are prepared by the tin. Why we are using the tin? So tin is less toxic. That's why. Okay. Next one, alloying. This is a very important process. Alloying process. The alloying process means the mixing of some different metals with the iron into form some other product. So that other product is also very free from the rusting. Free from the rusting. Now I will give you one example of alloying. So here the iron and the chromium and nickel, the mixing of these three metals, nickel, chromium and iron into form a stainless steel. So stainless steel means it cannot catch the rust rapidly. Okay. So otherwise the surgical instruments also free from rust. Why? It is an example of alloy. So alloys is very very less type of getting the corrosion. So in the case of some other materials or objects, easy to catch the rust, but the alloys are very less. That means the alloy formation of iron, otherwise the materials is lessly affect the corrosion, means rust. So here is also just example stainless steel. How to prepare the stainless steel? It is a mixing of iron, nickel and chromium into form a stainless steel. So stainless steel means it cannot catch the rust. Okay, free from rust. So and many other uses means it is mainly prepared by surgical instruments also. It is useful for surgical instruments also. So I hope all of you understood these points. The first one, using enamel coating, mainly using the kitchen pots and pans. Next one, galvanization iron. The galvanization process means zinc applying over the iron. Okay, zinc applying over the iron into form a GI pipe. That pipe become free from rust. Next one, electroplating. Electroplating means here nickel and chromium applying over the iron. Nickel and chromium applying over the iron, that's help to prevent the rust. Tin plating. Tin plating is also that iron objects putting to the molten zinc, that help to preventing the rust. Alloy means that preparation of alloy, it is very useful to human. That means it cannot catch the rust easily. So best example is given here. This is stainless steel is the best example of alloy. It is cannot catch the rust easily. Okay, and the surgical instrument also free from rust. So I hope all of you understood this topic, the prevention of rust. So this is the last topic, and the chapter is going to end, and all of you prepare well for your examination. Thank you.